Welcome back. In the last class, we have studied about the concepts slope of a line, slopes of parallel and perpendicular lines, slope of a line joining 2 points. Let's recall the concepts once again. So, slope of a line. If a straight line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, then slope of a line is given by m is equal to tan theta. M is positive when theta is acute. Acute means it lies between 0 to 90 degree. And we know that in first quadrant all trigonometric functions are positive. Therefore, tan function, the tan ratio is positive. Hence, M is positive. So, slope is negative when theta is obtuse. Obtuse angle is nothing but angles lies between 90 degree to 180 degree. In second quadrant, the tan ratio is negative and hence M is negative. If any line parallel to x-axis, then angle between those two lines is 0. Therefore, M is equal to tan 0 is 0. In particular, what is the slope of x-axis? That is 0 because x-axis is parallel to itself. Therefore, angle between them is 0. Therefore, slope of x-axis is 0. If any line perpendicular to x-axis, angle formed is 90 degree. Therefore, M is equal to tan 90 degree, which is not defined. Therefore, any line perpendicular to x-axis, then slope is not defined. In particular, y-axis is always perpendicular to x-axis. Therefore, angle between them is 90 degree. Therefore, slope is not defined. Therefore, we can say what is the slope of y-axis? That is not defined. Slope of x-axis 0. Slope of y-axis not defined. So, what is the condition for parallel lines in terms of slopes? So, slopes condition parallel ಎನ್ಸಿದಾಗ what is the condition? That is m1 is equal to n2. Slopes equal ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ that implies that the given lines are parallel. If the given lines are parallel, which implies that their slopes are equal. So what is the condition for perpendicular lines in terms of slopes? That is m1 into m2 is equal to -1. So perpendicular ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ condition m1 into m2 is equal to -1. So if their product is equal to -1, that implies that the given lines are perpendicular. And slope of a line joining 2 points, whether theta is acute or obtuse, in both the cases we have same slope. That is, the slope of a line joining 2 points is given by m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So based on these concepts, let's solve the examples. That first example is find the slope of a line whose inclination is given by. So slope find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Find the slope m find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು whose inclination is given. ಅಂದ್ರೆ angles ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. We need to find the slope here. ಸೊ ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಒಳಗರೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಒಳಗರೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಒಳಗರೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬರುದೇ ನಿಮ್ದು ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಕಲಿಯೋದೇ ನೀವು ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಲಿತೀರಿ. ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ರೇಡಿಯನ್? ಓಕೆ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಒಳಗರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಪೈ ಬೈ 6, ಪೈ ಈಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಆಸ್ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. Pi is taken as 180 degree. So what is pi by 6? Pi by 6 is 30 degree. ಹಾಗೆ ಸೊ ಪೈ ಅನ್ನ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ತಗೋತೀರಿ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 6. 6 1s are 630. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ನೀವು ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಪೈ ಬೈ 6. ದಟ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 6 ಈಸ್ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಆಂಗಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್, ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್. ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಎಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಎಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು tan 30 degree. M is equal to, what is tan 30 degree? That is 1 divided by root 3 is the slope of a line. And we know that slope of a line is always a real number. Second is pi by 3 tagori. That pi by 3 is nothing but 180 degree by 3. 3 ones are 360s are. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 1s 3 6s ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇಡೋರು ಇರ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದಾಗ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೋವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ 3 1s 360s. ಸೊ pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degree. ಸೊ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವುದು? m is equal to tan theta. So m is equal to tan 60 degree. What is the value of tan 60 degree? Root 3. So slope of a line always a real number. It represents a real number. Okay. And next example is pi by 2 tagori. Pi by 2 is nothing but a 90 degree. 180 degree by 2, that is a 90 degree. So what is the tan 90 degree? Not defined. Slope is not defined. Okay. Next to 5 pi by 6. So 5 pi by 6 ಅನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 5 into 180 degree by 6. 6 1s 6 30 degrees. So 30 degree into 5 is 150 degree. ಹೌದಾ? So theta is 150 degree. Therefore find slope. So theta ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ what is the formula? M is equal to tan theta. So M is equal to tan of 150 degree. So m is equal to tan of 150 degree. ಆ 150 ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಎರಡು ತರ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. That is 150 degree could be expressed as 180 degree minus 30 degree. 180 minus 30 degree, or this 150 could be expressed as 90 degree plus 60 degree. ಸೊ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಒಳಗಾದ್ರೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೂ ಆದ್ರೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇನ್ 2 ways. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 90 ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 180. ಸೊ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ is odd angle and 180 degree is even angle. But again we are going to use the allied angle properties. So odd angle, if it is odd angle, trigonometric function changes to its co-trigonometric function. Even angle ಇದ್ದಾಗ trigonometric functions remains same. Okay. So ನಮಗೆ easy simplification ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. That is easy simplification that remains same for even angle. Therefore I will express this 150 degree as 180 degree minus 30 degree. Okay. You can express this 150 degree. You people can express this 150 degree in terms of 90 degree and you can simplify it. Okay, you will get a same answer. Okay, ಇವೆರಡೂ ವೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೂ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಆನ್ಸರು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವೆರಡೂ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೂ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Whether it may be odd or even, both the answers will be same. Okay, so I will express this 150 in terms of even angle. 150 degree could be expressed as 180 degree minus 30 degree. So allied angle property apply ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. What is the first property? Even or odd. So even ಇದ್ದಾಗ trigonometric functions remains same. For even angle, trigonometric functions remain same. That is tan ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು tan ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. It remains same. Tan theta. What is theta? 30 degree. Okay. So tan of 180 minus theta is tan theta. That is so 30 degree. For even angle, functions remain same. Angle ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಿ. Standard angle, that is 30 degree. And second one is sine is applied according as the quadrant rule, that is ASTC rule. 180 minus 30. It whole angle togotri. Whole angle is nothing but 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta ಯಾವುದು quadrant ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ? 180 degree minus theta, that is second quadrant. And we know that in second quadrant tan is negative. We know that in the second quadrant tan is negative. Therefore I will take this as minus. So m is equal to minus tan 30. Therefore m is equal to minus, what is the value of tan 30 degree? 1 by root 3. Minus 1 by root 3. Next 2 pi by 3 simplify madri. That 2 pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3 is ಯಾವ angle ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡು? 2 into 180 degree by 3. 3 ones are 360 degrees are. So 2 into 60 degree is 120 degree. We got theta is 120 degree. Theta is given. Therefore we can use the formula m is equal to tan theta. So m is equal to tan of 120 degree. That 120 degree could be expressed in two ways. That is in terms of even angle 180 degree minus 60 degree. In terms of odd angle, that is 90 degree plus 30 degree. Okay, 90 degree plus 30 degree. Therefore m is equal to tan 120 degree. I will express this 120 degree in terms of even angle, that is now 180 degree minus 60 degree. So m is equal to, what is the first property? Even angle. Even angle ittaga tan remains same. Even angle ittaga tan remains same. Standard angle, that is 60 degree. Second property is whole angle consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. So sine is applied according as the quadrant rule, that is ASTC rule. So in second quadrant this whole angle is 180 minus theta, this theta. So 180 minus theta, this angle lies in second quadrant. So in second quadrant tan is negative. Therefore m is equal to minus, what is the value of tan 60? Minus root 3. Okay. So next example, find the inclination of the slope is. Find the inclination. Angle find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Slopes ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, slopes ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Angle ಅನ್ನ find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. First ಏನು slope ಏನದ? 0 ಅದ. Okay, first that is 0. Slope is 0. Okay, slope ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, angle find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Therefore we are going to take the formula m is equal to tan theta. m is 0, tan theta 0 is equal to tan theta, or tan theta is equal to 0. For what angle tan 0 is? For what angle tan value is 0? That is 0 degree. Therefore it is 0 degree. Second is 1. So slope ಏನಿದೆ? 1 ಇದೆ. And we know the formula m is equal to tan theta. Slope is 1. 1 is equal to tan theta. For what angle tan value is 1? For what angle tan value is 1? That is tan 45. 45 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು? pi by 4 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. So that is equal to theta is pi by 4. Or you can write 45 degree. Okay. Third is minus root 3. So third is minus root 3. M value is minus root 3. So we know that m is equal to tan theta. M is minus root 3. That is tan theta. So tan theta is equal to minus root 3. That is tan theta is equal to minus hanga ಬರೀತೇನ್ರಿ. For what angle tan value is root 3? Okay, for what angle tan value is root 3? That is tan 60 degree is root 3. Therefore tan theta is equal to, so lower class ಒಳಗೆ ಕಲ್ತೀರಿ, that is minus tan theta is equal to tan of 180 degree minus theta. Minus tan theta could be expressed as tan of 180 degree minus theta, because according to ASTC rule, tan is negative in. So according to ASTC rule, tan is negative in second and fourth quadrant. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ first quadrant all trigonometric functions are positive, and in third quadrant tan and cot are positive. So tan function first quadrant ಮತ್ತು third quadrant ಒಳಗೆ positive ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ, second and fourth quadrant ಒಳಗೆ negative ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಹೌದಾ? So here slope that angle is restricted, that is 0 to 180 degree. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, negative angle, that negative angle is second quadrant, tan is negative. It is negative in which quadrant? It is negative in which quadrant? Second and fourth. But in slope concept ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು first two quadrants ಅನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ first two quadrants ಅಂದಾಗ slope is negative or positive. So here minus tan 60 degree ada, tan is negative in second quadrant. We know that tan is negative in second quadrant, and that second quadrant angle is given by 180 degree minus theta. Second quadrant angle is given by 180 degree minus theta. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 90 degree plus theta ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. 90 degree plus theta is also second quadrant angle. 90 degree plus theta is also second quadrant angle, and 180 degree minus theta is also second quadrant angle. So 90 degree ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಳಗತ್ತಿಲ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ 90 degree plus theta ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ tan ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, tan ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾ ಇವನ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಟು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೋ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಇವನ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, tan is negative in second quadrant. That second quadrant angle is given by 180 degree minus theta. Therefore, I will write this minus tan theta as tan of 180 minus theta. What is that theta? 60 degree. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, apply the property of allied angle, simplify, you will get the answer as minus tan 60 degree. So minus tan 60 degree ಅನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅದರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ tan of 180 minus theta. Tan of 180 minus theta. The tan of 180, theta ಏನು 60 degree ಅದ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ minus 60 degree. So this is equal to tan theta. ಇವಾಗ tan, okay, 180 minus 60 is 120. On equating, we get angle 120 degree. That is 2 pi by 3. Next, fourth one, that is tan m is 1 by root 3. M is 1 by root 3. So m is equal to tan theta. That 1 by root 3 is equal to tan theta. For what angle tan value is 1 by root 3? 30 degree. Tan 30 degree. So theta is equal to 30 degree. Next is minus 1. So m is minus 1. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. m is minus 1. We know the formula, m is equal to tan theta, minus 1 is equal to tan theta. Therefore, we can write tan theta is equal to minus 1. Tan theta is equal to minus ಹಂಗ ಇಡ್ತೀರಿ. For what angle tan value is 1? Tan 45 degree. So tan theta, which is equal to minus tan 45 ಅದ. ಈ minus tan 45 ಅನ್ನ, so tan is negative in second quadrant according to ASTC rule. It is negative in second quadrant. Therefore, second quadrant angle is given by 180 degree minus theta. So tan theta is equal to tan of 135 degree. Theta equal to 135 degree. That is 3 pi by 4. Okay. Next is root 3. M is root 3. So for what angle tan value is root 3? 60 degree. Therefore theta is equal to 60 degree. Next is minus 1 by root 3. Minus 1 by root 3. Minus value bandadri. M is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Tan theta is equal to m, or m is equal to tan theta. So m is equal to tan theta minus root 1 by root 3. That is tan theta is equal to minus, for what angle tan value is 1 by root 3, minus hanga idteenri, for what angle tan value is 1 by root 3, 30 degree. Okay, tan theta, since tan is negative, since it is negative in which quadrant? Second quadrant. that second quadrant angle is given by 180 minus 30. So tan theta is equal to tan of 150 degree. On equating we get 150 degree, which is 5 pi by 6. Okay. Next example. Find the slopes of lines passing through the points 3, minus 2 and minus 1, 4. So passing through the points and joining the points, both are same. So passing through the points, the formula na gottillala anta anbadri. So slope of a line joining the points and passing through the points, both are same. Okay, what is the slope of a line passing through the points 3, minus 2 and minus 1, 4? Passing through the points and joining the points, both are same. We know that slope of a line joining 2 points is given by y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Let us consider the given points as A is equal to 3, minus 2, B is equal to minus 1, 4, which is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. And slope of a line joining 2 points is given by y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. M is equal to what is y2 minus y1. So 4 minus of minus 2. And x2 minus x1 is minus 1 minus 3. M is equal to 4 plus 2 by minus 4. M is equal to 6 by minus 4. M is equal to 2 3s are 2 2s are 3 by minus 2. M is equal to idan heng baritiri? So 3 by minus 2 or minus 3 by 2, both are same as minus of this. So another kind minus of 3 by 2. Okay. Similarly, second example, find the slope of a line joining the points or passing through the points 3, minus 2 and 7, minus 2. So let us consider the first point as x1, y1 and second point as x2, y2. We know the formula, that is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Apply the formula and simplify. You will get, that is minus 2 minus of this one, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 minus 2 minus of minus 2 by x2 minus x1 is 7 minus 3, 0 by 4, 0 by anything, 0 by any number is 0. Next, slope of a line through the points 3 minus 2 and 3, 4. Let us consider these 2 points as x1, y1 and x2, y2. And also we know that slope of a line joining 2 points is given by y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So what is y2 minus y1? 4 minus of minus 2 and x2 minus x1 is 3 minus 3. So answer, that is 3 minus 3, 0. So 4 plus 2 by 0 is 6 by 0. Any number by 0 is not defined. That is denoted by infinity. Slope is not defined. Next example. Find the slope of a line which passes through 2 points 3, 2 and minus 1, 5. A line which passes through 2 points or a line joining 2 points, both are same. So here a line which passes through 3, 2 and minus 1, 5. And we need to find the slope of these 2 points. And we know that slope of a line joining 2 points is given by m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 is 5 minus 2 divided by x2 minus x1 is minus 1 minus 3. So which is equal to, the 5 minus 2 is 3, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. Therefore slope is equal to minus of 3 by 4. A line with the slope minus 2 by 3 passes through the points minus 1, minus 2 and a, 4. Find the value of a. So slope ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 2 points ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. A line which passes through minus 1, minus 2 and a, 4 whose slope is minus 2 by 3. We know that slope of a line joining 2 points is given by m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So apply the formula and substitute. So slope is minus 2 by 3 and y2 minus y1 is 4 minus of minus 2 by a minus of minus 1. So cross multiply martiri, then we'll get minus 2 into a plus 1, which is equal to 3 into 6. So that is equal to minus 2 into a plus 1 is minus 2a, minus into plus is minus 2 into 1 is 2. Which is equal to 3 into 6, that is 18. So minus 2 ikkada hoytandre plus 2 agtade, that is equal to 20. 2 ones are 2 tens are. Therefore minus a is equal to 10. Therefore a is equal to negative sign ikkada togotire, that is equal to minus 10. Find the slope of a line passing through 2, 5 and the midpoint between minus 1, 4 and 7, minus 6. So question, we need to find the slope of a line which passes through 2, 5 and the midpoint between minus 1, 4 and 7, minus 6. So consider these 2 points first. So first you will consider martiri, point consider martiri, that point is given by P, which is minus 1, 4. Another point is given by Q, which is 7 minus 6. Midpoint between these 2 points. So join madidre midpoint between these 2 points. Let R is the midpoint of PQ. Okay, R is the midpoint of PQ. Question enantandre, find the slope of the line which passing through. So we need to find the slope of a line which passes through 2, 5 and the midpoint between these 2 points. So this will be the required line which passing through 2, 5 and midpoint between these 2 points. Coordinate R heng find martiri, since R is midpoint of PQ. So coordinate R can be determined by using midpoint formula, that is given by x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is R coordinate is given by 6 by 2 minus 2 by 2. R coordinate is 3, minus 1 is R coordinate. And now we know that slope of the required line joining 2 points. We know the slope of a line joining 2 points, that is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1? So that given by y2 minus y1 minus 1 minus 5. Okay, x2 minus x1 is 3 minus 2. So minus 6 by 1, which is equal to minus 6. Similar question, find the slope of a line passing through minus 2, minus 1 and midpoint between 2, 7 and minus 8, minus 3. First ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, 2 points consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. That 2 points are 2, 7 and minus 8, minus 3. ಅವನು P and Q ತಗೋತೀರಿ. Join them. Let R is the midpoint of PQ. So we need to find the slope of a line passing through minus 2, minus 1 and midpoint between these 2 points. So R is a midpoint of PQ. Therefore R is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. R can be determined by using midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So R is equal to, simplify madri, then you will get R coordinate as minus 3, 2. And now we know that slope of a line joining 2 points. Now go to the what is the slope of a line joining 2 points? Slope of a line joining 2 points is given by y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 2 minus of minus 1 divided by minus 3 minus of minus 2. So that is equal to 2 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 2, which is equal to 3 by minus 1, which is equal to minus 3. Okay. Similar question, this is an important question which will ask for 2 marks. So that is, find the slope of a line which passes through origin and the midpoint of the line joining points P and B. So consider the given 2 points. Okay, first we have to consider the given points 0, minus 4 and 8, 0. Join them. Let R is the midpoint of PB. So required line is passing through origin and midpoint between these 2 points. So a line which passes through 0, 0 and midpoint between these 2 points, that midpoint R can be determined by using midpoint formula. So R coordinate anna midpoint formula use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು find ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. So that midpoint formula is given by x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So simplify ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, you will get R coordinate as 4, minus 2, and we know that slope of a line joining 2 points is given by y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is minus 2 minus 0 by 4 minus 0, which is equal to minus 2 by 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. Next example. A line passes through x1, y1 and h, k. If the slope of a line is m, show that k minus y1 is equal to m into h minus x1. So a line which is passing through 2 points, that is x1, y1 and h, k, whose slope is m. We know that slope of a line joining 2 points is given by m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So substitute ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, simplify ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, denominator term ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. So k minus y1 is equal to m into h minus x1. Next example, find the angle between x-axis and the line joining the points 3, minus 1 and 4, minus 2. So angle between x-axis ಅಂದರೆ we have to draw the figure, that is x-axis. So 3, minus 2, 1 point till ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ, 4, minus 2, another point you will get here. Join them. Okay, join them 4, minus 2 and 3, minus 1. 3, minus 1 and 4, minus 2. So join ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಹಂಗ ಒಂದು ರಫ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹಾಕೋತೀರಿ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. So join ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you will get a line. Okay, so line joining 2 points are, this is 3, minus 1 and this is 4, minus 2. Somewhere illo bartade. Okay, so here, so these points are taken as x1, y1 and x2, y2. So slope find ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Slope of a line joining 2 points is given by m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope find ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. So let's find the slope and what is the angle between a line and x-axis. So consider these 2 points as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Slope of a line joining 2 points is given by, substitute, y2 minus y1 is minus 2 minus of minus 1 divided by x2 minus x1 is 4 minus 3. You will get a slope, simplify ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Simplify ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you will get m is equal to minus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 by 1, which is equal to minus 1. And we know that m is equal to tan theta. M is equal to tan theta. So that is equal to minus 1. So m is denoted by tan theta, which is equal to minus 1. So tan theta, ಈ minus ಅನ್ನ ಹಂಗ ಇಡ್ತೀರಿ. Okay, we'll keep this minus as it is. For what angle tan value is 1? That is tan 45 degree. Okay, so tan theta is equal to, and we know that tan is negative in which quadrant? Tan is negative in second and fourth quadrant, but slope is restricted to first 2 quadrant where theta lies between 0 to 180 degree. So tan is negative in second quadrant and that second quadrant angle is given by 180 degree minus theta. So tan is negative in second quadrant. Tan is negative in second quadrant, that second quadrant angle is given by 180 degree minus theta. So tan theta is equal to tan of 135 degree. On equating, we get theta is equal to 35 degree, which is obtuse. The angle is 135 degree, which is the angle between x-axis and the line joining 2 points. Next example. Find the slope of a line which makes an angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of y-axis measured in anti-clockwise direction. So, measured in anti-clockwise direction. The angle is with respect to y-axis. But according to the definition of slope, angle is measured with the positive direction of x-axis. Okay, so what is the slope of a line which makes an angle 30 degree with y-axis? Okay, 30 degree. So it's 30 degree irboda. This is 30 degree with respect to y-axis. Okay, so ivaga find the slope ಅಂದಾಗ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಟೀಟಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, therefore we know the angle ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, tan theta. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದಾಗ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ what is the formula for finding the slope? That is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ, okay, slope of a line joining 2 points is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Angle kottaga, what is the slope of a line formula? That is m is equal to tan theta. So m is equal to tan 30 degree. The tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. And the answer solution ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. So which is a wrong answer because this angle is with respect to y-axis. We need to find the angle with respect to x-axis. Okay, so according to the definition of a slope, that straight line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. So angle should be with respect to x-axis. So ivaga ille what about this angle? This angle is 30 degree. Yake opposite angles are same. Okay, so obvious this is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Therefore this is a 90 degree. So we know that sum of interior angles of any triangle is 180 degree. Sum of interior angles of any triangle is 180 degree. So 90 degree plus 30 degree eshtayitu 120 aitu. Then what about this angle? This angle should be 60 degree. So either 60 degree aitandre what about this angle? So that sum of any two adjacent angles is 180 degree. Sum of any two adjacent angles is 180 degrees. ಇದು 60 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ 120 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ 120 degree is the angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis. Here angle that theta is 120 degree with respect to x-axis. This is the angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis. So required slope is m is equal to tan 120 degree. m is equal to tan. So 120 degree ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ, 120 degree ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವನ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Okay, this can be expressed in two ways. 120 degree is equal to 90 degree plus 30 degree or 180 degree minus 60 degree. So m is equal to 120 degree. I will write this as in terms of even angle 180 degree minus 60 degree. m is equal to tan of 180 degree minus 60 degree. Apply the properties of allied angle. So what is the first condition? So even angle iddaga tan functions remain same. For even angle tan e remains same. For odd angle trigonometric function changes to co-trigonometric function. For even angle trigonometric functions remain same. First ನೀವೇನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, even ಅದನೋ odd ಅದನೋ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ. So even angle ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ the functions remains same. odd angle ittandre function changes to its co-trigonometric function. Since we have even angle, therefore trigonometric functions remains the same. So tan theta, that theta is 60 degree. And according to ASTC rule, second condition, sin is taken according as the quadrant rule, ASTC rule. So this is a second quadrant angle, 180 degree minus theta. So 180 degree minus theta is the second quadrant angle, and in second quadrant tan is negative according to ASTC rule. Therefore m is equal to minus root 3 will be the answer. Okay, we'll continue some more examples in next class. Thank you.